Hello gardeners, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I cost effectively prepare the garden bed in the garden. So in this particular garden bed, which you can see now, it's completely cleared up. I had harvested chilies, palak, few tomatoes and then some tulsi plants. So you can still see one chili plant still here only. You can see some chilies also. So you can see many chilies here actually. You can see this. It's completely filled with chilies. This single plant. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So almost like around 8 chilies are there in this single plant. Like that, I had like few plants here, chili plants. Along with that, some tomato plants also I had. So and then some palak I had grown here. You can see some palak harvest I have made here. So since it all got dried up and I had already harvested everything, I have cleared this complete garden bed. Now I'll be showing you how I usually do that. So first thing is, you need to again dig it up completely. You need to make sure the soil is completely loosened up. If you find any big rocks and all, like this hard rocks, anything, put it aside. Make sure this is not, this particular region has not having any big rocks or something. Then you can see this. I always tell you, I use this neem leaves actually. It's very good for the soil. Then I'm using some compost actually, and this is completely dried up cow dung. Along with this, you can see some carrot leaves, flowers and all are there. So anything which is decomposable and which is good for the garden, which you get it in your home only, you can reuse everything like kitchen waste, flowers and all. You can see here also. See all these flowers, dry leaves, anything which is available at your home, you can reuse them, everything which is easily composable, which can be getting decomposed easily in the soil, that one. So once that and all is mixed up completely, right, you can mix it up and you can just sow that and make sure you're making the soil completely loosen up. So once that is prepared, you can level it up completely. Make sure you're not again stepping your leg on that one, okay? Once you make it complete level, I'll be making one more update maybe after this. Once I prepare that soil bed completely, then you can plant whatever you want, for the new season. Now since it's winter is coming up, depending on the season, you can start up planting that particular kind of seeds. So that's it for this video. So you can also see the sugarcane also update. You can see the sugarcane, how it's coming up. So this was something which I planted in the summer. You can see one more sugarcane here and then one more sugarcane there. In the terrace also I have few sugarcanes coming up, and this one is coming up very good actually. This has grown up very well. So maybe after few more days I'll be clearing up this garden bed also, and I'll be preparing a new bed here also for the next season. So currently I have cleaned up this one and this area. So once this is completely leveled up completely, I'll be planting new seeds here. You can also see a few guavas also. I've already shown you, I've made a separate video on this guava tree also. See, you can still spot so many guavas actually. It's still filled up with lots of guavas. I've already distributed so many guavas to all my neighbors also. So say single guava tree is giving me so much good harvest actually. Yeah, so that's it for this video guys. If you have any more suggestions and tips for me also for preparing this garden bed even more effective way, you can just leave that in the comment section. If you have any doubts, you can ask them in the comment section. I'll answer it to my best knowledge. Thank you and have a nice day. And do please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.